Guys, before this video starts, this video contains valid EAS tones. So, I would recommend you not playing these over the air. This could result in gigantic fines or jail time. Or if you're easily frightened because of the EAS tone, the American one obviously, or any other ones, just click off this video. You'll say in the comments that this might give you nightmares. Nah, it's just what a 5-year-old is like. Just please don't be a 5-year-old. If you can use this in real life, you can. Prank your friends with it. So I'm fine with that. But it's not the fault of Bob64 for telling you this. Oh yeah, it's actually my fault, obviously. Sorry about that. But if you want to be nice, then do not play a prank on anyone. If you play a prank on your friend and your friendship's done, done forever, well, don't say I didn't warn you. Let me just start the video. Ooh, a gift card. You guys can see the numbers right here because we already used it up. Too bad you can't see it. But hey, that's mine. No, it isn't. Yes, it is.
This EAS was announced by the Central Police of Ohio. At 3:09 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, one tiny, yellow creature was lurking through the cities of Ohio. The name of the yellow creature has yet to be identified. The only other thing we know is that this creature is hostile. If you have ever spotted this creature, run and hide, or call 911. Stay tuned for more updates and information on this creature.
Well, you just knocked me off. I don't think any hope is expected for you. You serious? Stop it!
This EAS was announced by the Central Police of Ohio. At 4:25 Eastern Standard Time, this creature was going around breaking into people's homes and killing them. We have found the name of this horrifying thing. Their names are Minions. It is advised not to approach these things. Stay tuned for more information on the Minion.
If you had a dream to fly, then buy our helicopter 6000 in the air. You can move it as fast as you want, and it flies too.
I don't have time to list the service who did this EAS. At exactly 7:33 p.m., a minion started burning down buildings and houses, even schools. Whatever you do, don't stay at home. Get out of your homes and find a shelter immediately. If you see an unidentified dark figure that is shaped like a pill, don't investigate. Your best thing is to run from the figure if it's in your home or shelter. This EAS will be kept quiet for your safety. Follow these instructions to keep you and your family safe.
Okay, why am I in Mario app?
This EAS was announced by. At 10:55 p.m., people were converted into minions. This is basically called cloning. This life-threatening situation is now called the Minion Takeover. It is also now safe to go back to your homes. Bring all your supplies with you, but be careful, the minions might be watching. If they see you, your best bet is to run as fast as you can away from the minions. Stay tuned for local updates. Make sure to watch out for the minions too.
Okay, everyone, so we have Geometry Dash 2.2.
Don't get out of your homes. Repeat, don't get out of your homes. At 3 o'clock a.m., restaurants, buildings, and schools started to look abandoned. This looked like it was the minions that caused it. If your neighborhood looks abandoned, hide in your house now. The minions are near. Stay tuned to local media for more updates.
So should we get ready for the sleepover? Yeah, I think. Maybe.
All clear. Repeat. All clear. The minions have decided to settle down and leave everyone alone. All of those horrible situations are gone. We will now return to normal programming.
Okay guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that remastered of the Minion Takeover. Make sure, comment, you don't have to comment, like, you don't have to like, but I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe, please. This took a bit of work, so, and all that editing and crap, rare version VHS, we decided to give you the remastered. So, like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!